This camping table set is perfect for my family of 4. We each have our own color and it works so well. The cup is super sturdy, has a great handle, and it even has a little hole so you could hang it if you need to. Bowl, also, the plastic is this very solid, thick plastic, and same with the plate. I love the bright colors. I love how thick these pieces are, and they really hold up. You can't put boiling hot water in them, but you can put pretty hot items in them, and I have never had an issue with these. We've had these for a decade, and they've served us really, really well. Here's a close-up on that plate. You can see how thick it is. Very, very solid. It has kind of a rougher exterior, so it's easy to grip. They don't cling together. They're super light. A great set.